Hi everyone, I am Sanchit Agarwal and today I want to share my journey as data analyst at Unified Mentor Private Limited, where I work for 3 months and I get hand-on experience in technologies like Python, Tableau, machine learning, and many more. During my internship, I basically focused on how to solve real-time business problem and business issues using technologies. With that, we use Python for model training, data cleaning, and data pre-processing. We used core data analysis like regression, hypothesis testing, and EDA, feature engineering, and many more. We used Python for interactive dashboard and visualization. There, I worked on many real-time projects like supply chain analysis, where I identified demand forecasting, analyzed stock level, and much more. Uh, there's one name as stock market analysis where I got to know how historical data help in